over 30 years, Rotochopper has been an industry leader in manufacturing heavy-duty recycling and size reduction equipment at our headquarters in St. Martin, Minnesota. We pride ourselves on continued commitment to St. Martin and the communities that surround it. Our people are the foundation of Rotochopper, and our community has provided some of the best.
Just seeing the quality of work that goes into these machines and the heart and soul that a lot of the employees are putting into these machines really makes you realize it's a good quality product.
It's really awesome being able to be part of something that gets built and it goes all over the world.
There's a part of me in every single machine out there.
Our product reaches all over the world and does a lot of good things for a lot of good people.
For me, it was mainly, you're not standing in one spot all day in a cubicle, burning the same part day in and day out.
Keeps things interesting. Everybody gets to work on a little bit of everything.
And the sky's the limit as long as you got an open mind and you're willing to try new things.
It's a good work environment, very clean and tidy.
Everybody's here to help you, whether it's you getting help or you helping somebody. Everybody's here to lend a hand.
Everybody respects each other and wants to do a good job.
People getting to get along and working together, none of this would be possible. I've been doing this many years and I'm still learning. Every day is a new day.
That you might not be the best right away when you start, you work your way into it and eventually it just becomes really easy and it's not that hard.
You have a task you're working on and you're struggling or have a question, there's always somebody close by willing to help and give a hand.
The wages are competitive and there's lots of great benefits at Rotochopper.
Health, dental, 401k with the match, tool, boot allowances, and of course, the top one is we're an ESOP company.
I do really like the ESOP program. Gives you something to shoot for, and
at the end of every year you get to see the dividends that you receive throughout that year for putting in your hard work.
You can see the company grow and you're helping the company grow. And in turn, you see the benefits of that. You see your ESOP grow. It's a reward. You know what you're working for.
the three core values at Rotochopper being harmony, fairness, and generosity.
Everybody, there is respect for everybody. There's fairness. Everybody helps each other out.
People here at Rotochopper are always willing to give a helping hand, and everybody gets along. Everybody does what it takes to keep the customers happy.
The days go by fast when you're having fun.
For more information about career opportunities at Rotochopper, visit rotochopper.com/careers.